for the participant.
Hello, everyone. Very good evening.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, hi, hi,
Good
hi.
evening.
Very good evening. Yeah. So, yeah. Before starting into it, so I will ask few questions to understand more about the people. Or should we wait, Nikita? Should we wait for a few minutes? Isn't it?
Yes, sir. Actually, the organizer asked to wait up to 6:10.
Oh, okay. Chalega. No issues. No issues. Till then, I
Yes, sir.
think I will not waste others' time who have been joined before that, like on the time, not before. Okay, so I will ask the few questions like how many people are from the companies? So you can easily reply with the reaction, like you can use thumbs up. Okay, that's the one. So how many people are from the professional, like having the at least 1 and 2 years or more than 2 years of the experience in any IT role? Okay, 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 got it. How many are non-techies? Don't ever heard about the tech coding. Okay, anyone else? Okay, okay, okay. Now, how many are from the college grades? Either BTech, BCA, Masters. Okay, got it. Oh, okay, got it. So, how many are actually interested in the generative AI and actually want to do something in it rather than just following the others people or the market trend कि चलो यार ये अभी ट्रेंडिंग में है तो चलो कर लेते हैं. Okay, okay, so most of the people are of that. That's got it. How many are from India, or I can say how many of out of India? Like I think yeah. So let's ask. I will ask again, so you all can lower your hands. Option नहीं आता है क्या इसमें? Okay. Yeah. How many are from out of India? Okay. No one is from out of India. How many are from Bangalore?
Me?
Okay, great. How many are from Mumbai? Okay, okay. How many are from NCR? That will include Delhi, Noida, Chandigarh, Gurgaon. Okay. How many are from Rajasthan? Okay, got it, got it, got it. So now everyone have to write in one word. Okay, only one word, not a sentence, only one single word. What's your expectation from this particular webinar that we are going to start soon? For next 90 minutes that we are going to talk about a lot of things. So what your expectation that you have to describe in one word in the text, in the messages of the Google Meet? Please type it. Yeah.
Sir, can
Guided.
you bit, sir, can you bit a little louder?
Louder? Are you asking louder, Ansh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will take care of it. Thank you, man, for the feedback. Okay, so one word is there: guidance, learning, journey, future experience, prompting, productive, learning, roadmap, resources, roadmap, learning, project, networking, clarity, learning, full information about Gen AI, knowledge, ideology, knowledge, learning, Gen AI, learning, okay, learning, projects, Gen AI, knowledge, okay, okay, projects, roadmap, okay, productive, learning, interview preparation, okay, makes no sense. Oh, nice name. Experience, knowledge, okay, knowledge and guidance, okay, okay. I got the expectation, so I will try to fulfill it as much as possible. Now, let me see how I can record the session. So that will be the helpful for everyone for the future video, audio, caption, reactions. Okay, okay. Oh, okay. Omni. Nice, Omni. All of above. Nice one. I like it. Okay. It's not coming here. Okay. No option to record this. ठीक है. No worries.
I think we can start the session.
Yes, yes,
Now
we will.
it's good to go. 6:12. So, hi everyone. Welcome to today's session, How to Get into Gen AI as a Career. I am Nikita and I will be your host today. So, whether you are a student or just starting out or already working in tech, this session will help you to understand how to start and grow in field of Gen AI. I can say a big thanks to DevXpanse for organizing this event. They create amazing event in tech field, hackathon, workshop, and help people to learn more. And we also want to thank Fellow, a platform that help content creators, startups, and companies come together to build a project and make a strong community. Now I am really excited to welcome our speaker, Deepak Chawla, founder of HiDevs, Gen AI coach, and product strategist. He helped thousands of learners to build future in Gen AI. And today here he will guide you. So grab your notebook and start learning it. So yes, Deepak sir, you can start this session and we all are waiting for the knowledge you are going to share. So yes, you can start the session, sir.
Thank you so much, Nikita. A warm welcome. Okay, so yeah, let me share my screen. Okay. Yeah, so before starting into it, I will give the small introduction about me. Okay, so that will help you to understand. So I'm a founder of HiDevs, where we are helping the people to get the personalized learning and upskilling into the generative AI. I have been trained and mentored 5,000 individual engineers, professionals, and Gen AI learners and career guidance. Okay, in last 2 years, and we have been done uh, 5+ offline workshops, 50+ webinars, 10+ seminars. I have been featured 2 times on Times Square, New York, last year and this year as a Gen AI Mentor of the Year. Okay, and I am Perplexity Business AI Fellow member as well. I was invited as a youngest jury member in Smart India Hackathon 2014 last year by Ministry of Education of India itself. So this is little bit about me. And if I talk about the experience, so I have the 10 years of the experience in IT field, and since 2014 I am doing the data science, and currently I am running a US based company. So yeah, that's small intro about me. Now let's to talk about how the things are going and what the people are talking and everything about this one. Okay, so that will be very helpful for everyone. So I will not directly jump into how the things, okay, we will do the code and all these things. No, okay, we'll start something different. Okay, and I will make sure that you will able to understand more to more. Okay, so let me zoom in. So if I talk about how the things has been started. Okay, so started means when there is a no machine learning, there is a no much data is available, okay, on the internet, okay, and there's a no powerful GPUs and the CPUs are available. So what the people are doing at that time? That's the biggest question that I think we should all have to ask ourselves. So in that particular condition, what was happening at that time? We are using rule-based data preprocessing. So what the mean of the rule-based example of if and else condition, switch condition. So that's known as the rule-based data preprocessing. Okay, so take example if we will get this kind of the keyword, or if we will get this kind of output after calculating the particular numbers and the mathematical formula, then we will consider that particular condition on the category A. And if list of the this words are coming in this particular paragraph, then we will consider that paragraph is belong to particular this kind of the category. So that's what that people were doing in 1950. Okay, but what happened after that? In 1980, data has been increasing day by day. Okay, and people are using and generating the data. So data quality as well as data quantity both has been increased very massively from 1950 to 1980. Okay, and then scientists and researchers has been came out from the particular rule based to the machine learning. So what they were saying, key machine learning means we will create some algorithm. With the help of that algorithm, we will able to uh, build some model. Then that model will predict based on the learning. So how it's work? So it's work on the basis of, take an example of your school and classes. What happen when we are learning for the schools or the exams? Okay, before exams, what we were doing, very simple and straightforward. Like there is an approach that we were using. So I will open this one. Okay, so what we were using at that time? So we have the textbook. Okay, in textbook we have the chapter, which is the data. Okay, and after that we have questions and answers. So this is what that's known as the training. Okay, so we are reading. So this is a set of questions and set of answers are already available, and we practice for each chapter approximately 30 questions. I can consider 30 questions and answer. Okay, then what I will do, I will tell to my parents or the brother, he ask me any question. Okay, ask me any question from this particular 30 question that I learn. Okay, so they will ask me 10 questions, random 10 questions. Then I will try to give the answer of this 10 question where I will say, ki I will get the knowledge from here. Okay, knowledge or model, whatever that you want to say, you can consider it. So that's the knowledge that I got it from after learning this 30 Q&A. Then I will try to give the answer of this 10 questions. So where I will say I am predicting it. Okay, then my the person who is taking my like questions and trying to understand how much that I have been done. So they will say me ki, okay, you have been corrected 7 questions or 8 questions. So kind of the 70 or the 80%. Okay, so this is how that accuracy accuracy come into the picture. 1 second. So that means accuracy come into the picture. So this is a testing. Okay, so that testing this one. Now I will go to the exam. In exam again 50 new questions come in the question paper. Then what will happen? Again I will try to predict the answers, and teacher have or teacher know about the actual answers. Okay, teachers know about the actual answers, and on the basis of that they will compare. What they will compare? They will compare about the predicted answer and actual answers and give me the score. Like you have been score 60, you have been score 70. So this is a process is known as the training. Okay. Then testing and model creation and accuracy. So that's what that we are doing since our school timing. Okay, machine learning is nothing is new concept which has been came in the market. No, machine learning is always be there, but the only one thing that we are not able to discover it. We are not able to find out it where it's currently used it. So that's how the people were using it. Now back to the our image. So here machine learning came 1980. Now again everything is going well, people are using it. Okay, so everything is going well, there's no problem. But in 1990 and 2000, dot-com boom has been come in the market. What the mean of dot-com boom? Like anyone now able to create their own website and host their own business idea, whatever the mindset, whatever the particular thought process that they are bringing off. So due to that, the data quality, quantity, and the speed to generating it for the per minute or the per hour has been increased exponentially, due to which the limitation of the machine learning has been achieved. So machine learning is not able to give you the that level of the accuracy when the quality of the data, category of the data, and all this has been come into the particular site. Then what they did, they again came up the new solution. They have been take the mimic of the human brain and and invented neural network. So neural network means a kind of the algorithm which is a mimic, or we can say which is the clone of the how the human brain works. They give that level of the algorithm and that level of the implementation using any programming language. That doesn't matter at all. But the concept and the foundation will be the human brain. Whatever the way the human brain works, the same way neural networks work. Okay, so this is happened in 1990 to 2000, and everything is after that everything going well. People are just building new machine learning models, deep learning models, and able to handle a large to large data. So there's no problem. But again, in 2017 there's a paper has been come into the market, okay, which is attention all you need, okay, by the Google itself, where they have been come with the something new. New means the something kind of the new architecture, or we can say the advanced form of the neural network that we known as a transformer. And they are saying attention all you need. So attention all you need means when a human being, currently take the example of my itself, I am currently giving my presentation and explanation to you all about the Gen AI machine learning. So what's my focus, what's my attention? To deliver 100% quality knowledge and my experience, what I have been learned. If someone will tell me ki, Deepak, can you please complete this work, then what I will say them, ki, bro, currently I am middle of something, first I will complete this. My focus is currently on this particular area or this particular task. Once I will complete it, then I will come to the your point or your part. So that's what the human being works. That's how the human brain works. Attention all you need. So you have to focus. You have to create a proper focus on your particular task, on your particular goal. Then only you will achieve the 100% quality. So the same concept Google has been came up with this and gave in the form of the a research paper. Okay, and then the all the things has been changed in the market. So this is how that has been happen. And after that, the lot of the pre-trained model has been come in the market. So I will tell you the pre-trained model has been what is a pre-trained model. So the different models are there: GPT, GPT-2, GPT-3. Okay, so now I will tell you what is a pre-trained. So pre-trained model. See, so pre-trained model is using large data and massive compute so that it is ready to use without any additional training. What that mean? I have the tons of the data of the images. Okay. And I want to build a image classification and detection algorithm or the system. Then what I will do, I will put the all images, start training of that particular uh, uh, data on that data, and I will create it. Okay, and the same problem that someone in the other part of the world or other part of the country or the city, even in the city itself, doing the same thing. So he also have to do the same process, whatever that I was doing or I am doing. Okay. So what the researchers again come up with the solution, pre-train. What that means, we will train the whole model on the set of the images and we will give you to you. And then you will add your own particular set of the images on which the use case that you want to solve it. That's what that you can use it. So you don't have to put everything from 0 to 1 or 0 to 10. We will give you 0 to 10, then you can change the 10th part of our pre-trained model and put it your part. Then it will be ready for your use case. That's known as the pre-trained. Okay. Then now come to the foundations model and the GPT that's currently everyone is using. Okay. So this is what pre-trained. And when pre-trained model has been came, so Bart was there, Albert is there, Alexam is there, T5, Bart, all are the pre-trained model. But the things has been changed when in 2018 GPT-1, GPT-2, and GPT-3. So pre-train GPT-1 0.1 billion parameter, GPT-2 1.5 billion parameter, GPT-3 175 billion parameter. So at that particular stage, the whole things has been changed. Why? Because they have been used massive data. Massive means massive. Tons of the data, images, publicly data, videos, audio. This is what that GPT-3 has been did. And from 2020 to 2022, GPT has been, or the OpenAI has been come with the something new. Okay, which is Instruct GPT. What the meaning of the Instruct GPT? That anyone with the use of the simple words able to get the output what they are looking for. After 2022, whole the market has been changed. Why the market has been changed? Because any normal people, any common man who don't know about the AI, who don't know about the artificial intelligence, don't have the background of the coding, but using simple English or simple uh, like instruction language, they can able to get what they are looking for. Okay, so after that only the whole market has been changed and shifted towards it. Okay, this is one. And then chat gpt has been came. So chat gpt is the application which has been built on gpt or instruct gpt pre-trained model. Now if we'll see this particular diagram, see, so they have been trained their models. Okay, generalized model, we can say foundation model as well. Text, images, speech, structure data, 3D signal training. Okay, foundations model. After that, what the things that you can able to achieve? So you can able to achieve a lot of things: question answer, sentiment analysis, information extension, image captioning, object recognition, and instruction following. These are the all types of the use cases that you can do easily because they have been trained the massive data. So that's why if currently you are going on the machine or chat gpt or any AI tool, you will able to achieve very very specific as well as very very generalized goal and the task with the help of the gpt. So that's known as the working of it. What are the characteristics of the foundation model? So they are generalized, they are very large in the size, they are self-supervised. Self-supervised means we don't have to give the answer. Key, what is the type of this data? They have their own particular algorithm. With the help of that, they will automatically get to know what are the type of the data. Okay, so that's what it is. Now this is a timeline how the things has been changed in the pre-trained model 1920, 1920, 21, 22, 23, 24, so on. Okay, now there's a very very varieties are available in the market. There's a one variety which is open source, so you can go and use the open source model, which very helpful to the company like llama. Okay, so this is from the Facebook, so you can easily download it, you can easily change it, you can deploy on your own system on the own servers, and that is known as the open source. Okay, now come to the closed source. So ChatGPT is one of them, closed source, and your grok is from the open.
Third-party cloud service, sir.
Okay, and third party services. So third party services means where all this open source model and closed source model are deployed, because when we talk about the open source model, so in that particular point, okay, you have to deploy somewhere. Deploy means you have to host it somewhere. Then only you will able to achieve what you want to be achieved from that. So in that category, you have AWS, you have GCP, you have Azure. So there are a lot of the solutions or the cloud services are available in the market. So that's how it is. So this is the brief of how from the rule base the things has been changed, then machine learning, then neural network, then transformers, then GPT 1 2 3, then chat GPT, and so on. Now we will move to the chat GPT or the how the things are working in that particular generative AI. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so this is actually our platform. Okay, where everything is available. So you can build your own personalized roadmap. You can come here, you can do the projects. So you can do the lead prompt and everything. I will give you the brief of this as well. But yeah, first we will focus on this particular image. So yeah, now whenever we will talk about generative AI, so there are the only two images. Okay, image, this image one and this image 2, and every step of images are available on this particular page. I will share it. Okay, don't worry about it, I will share everything. Okay, if you will able to understand this all steps, I think mostly 7 steps are there. If you will able to understand about this 7 steps, I am giving you the 70% surety that you will able to solve the basic problem and the projects able to build something in the generative AI very easily. So you don't have to struggle about it. Okay. So now let's jump to that particular point. What are the data sources? So whenever you are working in any company, so what happened in that particular point, you have to work with the different kind of the databases. So take example that here you have to build a customer data set, customer customer support chatbot. Okay, that's what that you want to do. So in that condition, what should you have to do? You have to first thing, you have to collect the data. If you will not able to collect the data, then nothing is going to be happen. So first and foremost step is collecting the data. So data is available in the different sources: FAQ databases, customer support, product doc, and different file format. So we have been selected different database. Now FAQ database is available in the FAQ format where column, question name, question name, or the question, okay, then answer, then the category, and the number, date, something like this in the Excel sheet. Then customer support database, there's a different database which is, take example of voice database where people are talking about the talking to the customer on the phone calls, and they have been recorded a lot of the voices and the calls. Okay, then product doc database where we have the proper documentation of the product doc. Then we have the different file format as well. File format means PDF, CSV, Excel. There are different types of there. Okay, the first job is to make sure all these data sets or data sources or database, whatever you want to convey, you can convey it, or you can, yes, Nilesh, you will get all these things. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, we will share you. Okay, so can we get resources perform this demo practically? Yes, yes, you will get everything. Don't worry, stay with me. Okay, I will share you everything. Okay, then you have the data pre-processing engine. So once you will get the data, then you have to clean it, because there's one saying in the market which is garbage in, garbage out. Okay, what that mean? Take example of, if you have kids in your home, so you will able to get to know whatever that you will give the particular uh, learning, the same way they will behave. That's known as the garbage in and garbage out. So the way that you will teach to your kids, the way that they will speak. अगर अपन उनको अच्छा सिखाएंगे तो ही वो अच्छा बोलेंगे. अगर अपन उनको बुरा सिखाएंगे तो वो बोलेंगे ही बुरा. That the same thing is happening in the AI world as well. So you have to give the good quality of the data. You cannot give the data as a like फालतू का data, dummy data, unstructured data, okay, and kind of the data which has a no relevance. So you have to very cautious what level of the and what quality level of the data that you are giving. So you have to clean it. So one step is clean. Again, cleaning is always will depend on the use case. So you cannot be clean, go and directly clean it. No, you have to understand your use case. Like take example of customers feedback use case where you cannot remove the emojis. If you will remove the emojis, then how you will able to get to know what are the feeling of the customer feedback on the particular product. So that's why you have to choose what type of data you have to remove and what type of data you don't have to remove. This is one. Then you have to structure it, because structuring is again very important, because somewhere we have the Excel, we have the PDF, we have the Google document, we have the some voice or the audio calls. So that's why we need to be structured this data. So structuring and formatting and converting into the single document, single format. So that's all the mandatory steps that you have to be do. Okay. After that, you have to split the data and use it. Why splitting? I have very proper answer of that, because lot of the people asking me why there's a need of the splitting. Why not we can send the whole data in the single time to the any LLM model to process it. So there's a reason behind it. So this is a list of the all the models available in the world currently. So Llama 4 Scott is a single model which has the capacity to send the 10 million token. So token means one word equal to one token. For the sake of the understanding, we are considering one word equal to one token. Okay. Now Llama 4 have only 10 million context window. That means you cannot send more than 10 million words in a single API call. You should be make less than of it. Now we'll do a practical, okay, and I will ask. I have Google Pixel where Google Pixel 6 where I have used 104 GB of ROM, okay, and having mm, videos, text, PDF, text, okay, video, text, CSV, okay, images, and chat logs, okay. Now, now, give me the token count of the token count. Sorry, token count, है ना? Token count of this data. Let's see what will be the token count that we will be able to get it. Okay, tokenized data is 75 GB only. Okay, so approximately 8 to 9 billion, approximately 8 to 9 billion tokens for only 104 GB. So this is of the single person data. Okay, currently we have 91 users in the meeting. What will be for the 91 users with average of uses 50 GB? Then token size, let's wait. See, 300 and 400 billion tokens. How many? 400 billion tokens in Indian language. Oh, ठीक है. Oh, wrong answer. 40,000 crore. And what is the limitation of this? Only 10 million. So that's why you cannot able to, okay, you cannot able to use the whole data. So you have to split it. One more example. You are going to shift your home, okay, and in that particular situation, what you will do? Either you will call the movers and pickers, and slowly you will create a small boxes and the chunks, split your all household data into the boxes and ship it. Will you able to shift whole home with the whole data into the single box? No, it's not possible, it's not feasible. So that's why we have to split it. Okay, now there's one very big challenge is there. What is that challenge? Human language understand text and talk in text. Computer and the ML algorithms, okay, data science algorithms, okay, we have computer. ठीक है, leave. Okay, so yeah, okay, algorithms they talk into one or zero, or we can say numbers. So this is a challenge. Now what we have to do, we have to convert the text into numbers. So in that condition, there is one more category of the model which are available in the market, which is known as the embedding model. So with the help of the embedding model, whatever the text data that we have, we can very easily convert into the numbers. Okay, so that are the category of the different category of the model, which is embedding models that will create the embedded of the models. Okay, so that's what it is. After that, what we can give, okay, what we can give, one more problem is there. What's the problem? How we will able to save this data? That's very challenging. How we will able to save this data? Because the current databases structure and output format is to the point which is text data. They will not able to store the numbers. So that's why we need another category of the database where people will very easily able to store that kind of the data, which is vector db. So vector db is a different kind of the category available in the market. So with the help of that, we will able to, okay, we will able to use it and store it into the vector db. So that's happening in the this particular flow diagram. Is we are collecting the data, cleaning the data, splitting the data with the help of the embedding model. We are converting into it and saving into the vector db. So this is the way you have to transform of the multiple data sources to the knowledge base. Okay, so this is how it's happened. Till now, anyone have any doubt? Please ask me. I will pause for the 1 or 2 minutes. I'm happy to answer it. Please go ahead.
Sir, my name is Survis. I am BCA student. So it's good to start my career journey in generative AI.
This question is not relevant for this one. We will take this question once we will complete our session. Okay, it's totally out of the context.
Okay, sir.
Okay, should we learn ML or neural network before learning? So not needed. You can go with the without this one as well. If you are looking into the core mathematics and all these things, then only you needed ML and algorithms. Okay. Any newest knowledge-based training methods rather than this? I didn't get your question. Strong experience, open source. I'm currently seeking the job. Will be yeah. We will talk on that particular as well. Can you explain the embedding model once again in a short? Sure, definitely. Anyone have anything else? Please go ahead. I will wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Again, no issues. Okay, so let's take the request of the other people. Can you explain the what architecture of AI model? What about the architecture of AI? Yeah, so mostly all the Gen AI algorithms which are and the models are available in the market. Currently, they are all are the base of the transformers and the different versions of the transformer that they are using it. Okay. Does context will mean that we have limited storage capacity of conversation history? No, 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 no. Dhruv, this is not what it is. Context window means you can only send the particular set of the tokens in a each API call. API call means this is like come. Oh, sorry. I have to click on start sharing. I click on the stop sharing. My bad. Yeah. So when we are talking here and we are typing here, okay, so in that particular situation context window means you can only okay you can only able to send up to depends on the model which model that we are currently using. If we will talk about the GPT 4.1, 1 million token only, so you can send only 1 million tokens in this particular chat window. That's mean the context window. Okay. Okay, that's great. What are the prerequisites to learn the Gen AI? So I will say basic coding, curiosity, and have the good understanding of the how the things are working in the fundamentals of the computer science. Okay, so okay, it means 1 million words, right? For now, we can take the 1 million words because every model have the different kind of the calculation. Okay, different kind of the calculation to understand and tokenize the way words and sentences. For the sake of the simplicity, I am referring here one word is equal to one token. Okay, but this is not the case every time. It's always be depend on the particular model. Okay, let's move to the next part. So this one. Now the data sources. So unstructured.io. So this is a one library which people are using currently to format the unstructured data, which is in the format of text, images, and logs. If you have the data in the web pages, then scraping web data. If you have the data into the PDF and text files, loading data from documents like PDF, LangChain, web loader. So there are different kinds of the formats are available in the market. Okay, you have to understand about it. Okay, you have to understand about it how the things are working it. Got it? This is one. Then data pre-processing. So again, there are a lot of the techniques are available. Okay, there are a lot of the techniques are available who are going to be give the data cleaning, data structuring, data normalization. So you have to select what to use, what not to use. Then again, splitting and chunking. Have a look on this table for a while. Okay, please have a look and understand. I will take the pause. So you will able to get to know there's a no different and there's a no direct method is available. With the help of that, only a single method is best for all. No, if you have the plain text, then the different method is available. HTML documents, different method. Markdown file, different method. So everywhere you have to take the decision. Currently people are saying na ki a particular set of the jobs will be go. I am totally agree, but that doesn't mean ki your job is going to be go away. Okay, so that's why you have to take the decision on the each step. Take example again here, which library you have to use to format the data. This is one. Which particular technique that you have to use for data preprocessing, what particular set of the splitting and chunking that you have to use on this particular type of the data that you have. Again, you have the embedding. So there are the different types of the embedding models are available. So on that particular models, again you have to use it, and again you have to vector DB is also the list of the have the lot of the databases are available. See, this is all list. Again, have a look on it for 30 seconds. Okay, so see, who are saying your job is going to be not available in the market? I am saying possibility hai, but doesn't mean ki no new jobs will be created. No, there are a lot of the new jobs are going to be created because see, lot of the databases are available. If I talk about the embedding, so I will show you that as well. Give me a bit. See, it's loading. See, list of the embedding models. See, this is a list of the embedding models available in the market. Now, there's a no single chatbot available in the whole world who can able to give you the accurate answer which is the best for you, and nothing is available because nowadays decisions always be taken care by the humans, no one else. So that's why you have to take the decision. So take example again back to our this image. Here also you have to take the decision. Here you have to also have to take the decision. Splitting, vector db, embedding, everywhere you have to take the decision. Okay, everywhere. Then only we will able to create a good system for the company. Okay, and every time the use case is different, every time the type of the problem that you are solving is always be different. That's why you have to handle it very very nicely. Got it? Now let's do the next image. So have a look on it and try to understand for 30 seconds. So now whatever we have been done here, okay, let me yeah, share this one. This is known as the knowledge base creation, from the multiple data sources to knowledge base, where we have been put the whole data and put it into a single database. Okay, that's known as the knowledge base. And after that, when the user will be come here, user will ask the question. Okay, and once the user will ask the question, it will give to the knowledge base, and we will fetch out the relevant data based on the user query. How I will give you the example. User query means user query, relevant chunk of the data means, mm, how I can give you the example. Yeah, you have the bunch of the boxes, and your mother told you ki go and take the cup. We have to create a and cook the tea or the food, whatever. So what you will do for the cup, you will go to the specific box or specific shelf of your kitchen. Okay. Then from the set of that cups, you will give the that specific cup. You will not scan whole the kitchen every time, because you know every particular uh, kitchen uh, utensils and cups, glasses are category in the proper manner. So you will go directly on that particular part. So this is the same way that whenever the user query is coming, they will go to the knowledge base, which have the different sets of the chunks. Then we will get that chunk and given to the AI engine. And again, that particular is the data that we are giving. We will give the user query. We will give the LLM model. So LLM model means which LLM model that we are going to use, either by the Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, Llama. There are a lot of the models are available. Then we have the prompt template. Prompt template is very, very simple and straightforward. What the focus is your that you want to achieve from your use case, set of instructions. Then memory. Memory means whatever the conversation that you are doing. That's if you have. Okay. After that, I will give the output slash results. So this is how that is happen. And then evaluation. So evaluation here comes as a human feedback. Okay, so output slash feedbacks, output slash results, and formatted. And evaluation, on again, evaluation is important, how well the particular answer is there. So this is how that you will able to achieve a good and quality of the system. So this is how that is happen. Now you tell me, this is a two images, image one, okay, and this is image two. In image one, nowhere AI has been used, nowhere ML, machine learning, nothing has been used. Only one single thing, which is data pre-processing, nothing else. Okay, or data engineering kind of work. Here as well, only 20% part is AI. This one, only this one, nothing else again. So again, everything that we are doing currently with the help of the AI, that we will able to achieve it. But that doesn't mean that AI is going to take our job. Okay. Now, if we talk about the agents, so agents means this solution is known as a RAG. Okay, when you have to get the answer on the basis of your data or the your database or the knowledge base, that we can say. Now if we talk about the AI agents, so AI agents means you are going to the system. Okay, you are going to the system and adding some kind of the tools, and then you have to call that tool to achieve something related to the particular set of the instruction. Take an example of, I will give you the example properly. Okay, let's go to the chat GPT. Currently, the whole calculation is happening without agent. Now, uh, who is, no, I will ask, uh, this is something in temporarily. Who is, take a random name, uh, Utkarsh. Okay, Utkarsh Prajapati. Okay, let's go. Who is Utkarsh Prajapati? See, searching the web. That means now they are trying to search. Okay, they are, the ChatGPT is trying to search from the Google and the different sources, because it doesn't have all kind of the sources and the data that we are looking. So in that condition, that known as a particular agent that calling it, that's known as the all these kind of the things. So that's known as AI agents. Okay, when you are adding a particular tool to this particular graph, then we can able to consider this as the AI agent. Okay, so this is all about the generative AI. There's nothing more than this available in the whole industry about the AI. Once your solution is good to go, then you will create the API endpoint. Now, come to the point where you folks are asking me about the how we can able to do it. So resources, go to the scroll. Here is the Google Colab link is available. Let me open this. Okay, so I will tell you how you can free of cost. You can easily use this any LLM, open source LLM model. Okay, let me share that as well. Okay, so I am opening that. So there's one platform, okay, which is already linked up here. Okay, Llama Grok. Okay, so Grok is just go to the Google Grok. Okay, click on Dev Console. Okay, so something like this you will able to get. Then you have the API key. You can create your API key with the any name. Okay, then submit it. Okay, copy this one. Okay, and you go to the dashboard. So there are a lot of the playground is available. All the LLM which are the open source are available here, and there's a no pricing. You can very easily you can use it very easily. See, Tata. Current plan zero, build and test on Chrome. Got it? Now come to the collab. So here you can easily paste your one. Now I will install this one. It's installing. Installation done. Now run this one. See, whatever that we were doing at the chat gpt, now we will able to do it here. So you have to do this key, then you have to call the chat grok llm llama model that we are using it, and this is the task that has been given. Any variable name that you can give, so that's for the explanation perspective we have been given. Okay, then you can call it. That's simple and easy. This is a few templates are available, have a look on it. Translate the sentence into language 1 and language 2. Okay, so see, sentence, who are who are you? Okay, so French. Now Hindi. तुम कौन हो? And what are you doing? तुम कौन हो और क्या कर रहे हो? तुम कौन हो और क्या कर रहे हो? Okay, so this is how this. Marathi. तुम्ही कौन आहेत? आही काय करत आहेत? Okay. Tamil. Let's try. Oh, Kanal yaar Kanal. I don't know about this one. Sindhi. Oh, तो कही आहे करी क्याऊ Punjabi. So only a single particular variable I'm changing and lot of the things are changing here. Got it? So this is how that you can able to do it. Now come to your question. Whatever that I have been explained available here. So you have to install it, you have to run it. Okay, then you can put your, I have been given my DC. Okay, so you can install, sorry, you can upload it here. And after that, you can keep on running it. You will able to create your own chatbot. So this is what that available here. Now, if I will talk about the what you will able to get from our platform. So our platform is very simple and easy for format. Okay, what is mean by the fine tuning? Okay, so fine tuning means when you have the lot of the data and you are not able to get the accurate result and the good amount of the output from the particular model with the help of the prompt engineering, then you are fine tuning it, means you are using your data and using the pre-trained model and retraining the pre-trained model on the base of your data. So that's how you are giving your data learning to the model and trying to make the customized model as much as possible to get the good answers. That's it. So how the our platform is work? So if I talk about in the one word, okay, so this is about where you will able to come on the platform. We will give you the 100% personalized roadmap. Okay. 1 second. 1 second. Is someone who can give you the. Okay, so personalized roadmap. So with the help of the uh, proper interview or the not interview, I can say that is kind of the assessment that we will want to understand about you, what you are doing, how you are doing. So we will able to give you the proper personalized roadmap, which is available here. After that, we have the proper projects, and projects is properly use cases wise. Oil and gas, social media, marketing, medical, again insurance, okay, software development. So that's all based out of the that's are based out of the particular industry. Okay, they are not as a vague and the kind of the proper what I can say taking from the Google and GitHub. No, these are all the use cases which I have been solved till now from 2022 to the till now. Okay. Now we have the lead prompt. So I think most of the people know about the lead code. So this is all about the lead prompt. So chain of thoughts. Okay, you want to solve. Take example again, vibe coding. So vibe coding techniques is there. Interview feedback loop for the algorithm debugging. So you can come here. Okay, so this is write a prompt. Prompt that should be error evaluation criteria. I will give the कुछ भी हर कुछ दे दूंगा मैं. Okay, then submit it, and our agent is evaluating it, and they will give you the proper explanation why it is not working, what's the issue on that particular prompt. So this is how that you will able to get to know what and the value that you have to give to improve your prompt. And there are a lot of people who are working on this particular uh, lead prompt, as you can see, and most of the people are just working on the daily basis. As well, as you can see, currently I use it. So this is this one. So we have the AI flow builder. So with the help of the gamification technique, we are helping the people to upskill in the direction of the AI agents, and you can able to build it. Okay, we have the code quest where the proper data structure and DSA you will able to group it, and you will able to run it. You can run the program. So execution complete, but nothing has been happened. I will submit the solution. Okay, see, failed. So you can do this as well. So there's one more assistant, Eco Deepak, which is a clone of myself. This is how that if you will got anywhere stuck, then you will able to take a help from this particular chatbot. You can able to share your uh, progress on the LinkedIn very easily. You can connect on your LinkedIn with our platform, and you will able to do it. We can just give the personalization as well to your LinkedIn. So this is how that you will be easily share on the LinkedIn. You don't have to go on the LinkedIn. Everything will be count here. We have the resources, so you can come on the resources part. All the resources, whatever available, is 100% free. You don't have to pay for the resources part. Is always be free. If you want to ask for the mentorship is available. And once you will do all these things, so this is calculated into the HiDevs score. So whatever that you will do on the platform, it will be go to the our HiDevs score. And the basis of the HiDevs score, you will able to get recognized on our talent pool. And the talent pool have the proper format where persona, education, how well that you are doing in the percentage, what your expertization, what you have been done on the high dev journey, what are the things that you have been done, everything. And this is a way that you can share this particular URL as well to the proper people, like a LinkedIn URL that you are sharing. If you want to do the interview preparation, that also we have. Upload your resume, job position, job description, then we are good to go, and you will able to get the questions. If you want to get to know about how well that you are doing into the industry reality check, you can do the interview industry reality check. There's a proper is available. If you want to optimize your resume, then you can also optimize your resume as well. Okay, so this is how that our platform works. And in the dashboard, this is one of the best thing that I like a lot, which is I'm able to get to know how well that I am doing, what are my strengths, what are my areas of improvement, what are my professional growth. So everything that we are giving on the base on your activity, how well that you are doing, what are your learning progress, your LinkedIn streak, your skills. On the basis of your activity, we are giving you and recommend you few of the challenges that you should be do that will help you to upskill in the Gen AI. And you will keep on doing it. We have been partnered with the 50 plus companies. They will hire you from the our platform itself. You don't have to worry about it, how to do, what to do, when to do, blah blah blah. Okay, so everything we will take care about it. So I will share the website link. Now, how does the chunk size affect output in rank? Is so chunk size again is hit and try. You have to decide. You cannot be decide which one is the best chunk size is for you. So there's always be like hit and try. You have to check it. Okay. Yeah. What else? Anyone have any questions? Please go ahead. I think I'm happy to answer. and the resources that you folks are asking me, which is available in the go to the project section, and any project section you will get the this whole resources. Column notebook is available at the end. Everything is available here. You can go and easily sign up and start using it. If you have any questions, then we are happy to help you. So for the opening, Pratik, currently everything is happening from the platform. You can go use the platform, do the activities. Automatically, you will be the part of the talent pool and you will get the job opportunities and internship very easily. Start learning about the GenAI. I have finished the Python various database currently in the first year, how I can process. Ayushman, you can again the same thing, whatever that you are looking, the whatever that you need to be achieved. Okay, after first year and second year, everything is available on the platform. You can go and start using it, and easily that will be the best for you. Okay. Dark Angel, I already give you the answer. How does so it will affect? It will totally affect the chunk size on your rack. Different chunk size, different kind of the questions. Yes, it can be happen. But again, you cannot be say which one is the best chunk size for your solution. It always be the head and try. But yes, it is affect. How it is affect? Very, very. Uh, that's to the point answer. Uh, kind of the data that you are giving, the answer is available in the different chunk, but the answer is available in the different multiple chunks. So this is how that we have to take the decision. Difference between agentic AI and Gen AI. Agentic AI, where we are implementing the tools and calling the different kinds of the tools and making it the calling the tools based on the decision. And Gen AI is the umbrella where everything will come into the picture. That's known as the Gen AI is a key term. Generative AI is a terminology. Agentic AI is a use case based. Okay. Yeah. So I will share uh, my LinkedIn as well. So if you guys want to be share about the what we have been learned today, then that will be the great. So I think this is all about it is. So yeah, yeah. So that's it from my side. Over to you.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
it's audible. It's audible. Please go ahead.
Okay, so hope sir this session has been completed.
Yes, done from my side.
Okay, so that's bring us to the end of the session. Thank you so much for joining us. A big thanks to our speaker Deepak Chawla for sharing their valuable knowledge and tips to help us getting started in GenAI. Even I really thank to DevXpanse and Next Fellow for supporting this event. Of course, if you want to follow us, you can check the messages where I mentioned the details about HiDevs link and everything. A short, quick note I want to share that if you follow, next, if you follow HiDevs on the next fellow, we will providing 1 month GenAI subscription to all those students and all those participants who are eagerly want to learn GenAI and who are participating in the event. So follow on next fellow us
So I
and
will.
thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah, so we are
Yeah.
happy to provide you the 1 month of the free pro subscription to the people who are want to do something. So you have to sign up on the platform on the HiDevs as well as the next fellow, and after that do some activities on the platform, and we are happy to send you the 1 month of the pro subscription. Okay, so that will be the applicable person who will do something rather than just sign up and just follow it. Don't do anything. So you have to uh, just prove yourself. Yes, I am the capable of, and I should be get the pro subscription, something like this. Okay. Yeah.
So I am again mentioning are mentioned. Follow us on next fellow on Heidi account on the website. So is there any question or anything that anyone want to ask, or if you
Yes.
are looking for something? Hello.
Yes,
Yes, you can ask to sir. Or
yes, correct.
your voice is totally breaking, sir. So can you please
Sir, I pick up.